Hey there, Old Man New Tech is upgrading my office, and one thing I was looking for was a decent desk to put in my office. I wanted something that was going to have some quality to it, but I also didn't want to spend an arm and a leg. I wanted to keep it around, between 100 and 150 bucks. But you guys know me, I like quality and I like budget pricing. Well, enter the Wellrun writing desk. And it's coming in at a real good budget price. But I gotta tell you, I had my doubts when I ordered it. But with all the features I wanted, I was a little bit excited too. So it shows up in a simple, straightforward cardboard box with the Wellrun logo on the outside. And it's about the size of the desktop itself. Everything was packaged tightly and professionally. Now with regards to the assembly and setup, I was a little bit concerned because it was one sheet of instructions. Now there's a packet with all the tools and the hardware that I needed to put it together. They even had a wrench and a legitimate screwdriver, something that I can add to my toolbox. Now I'm not going to make you guys sit through an entire assembly video, but I will time lapse this for you so you can get a chance to check out how long it actually takes me to put all this together. Like I said, it does come with all the tools that I'm going to need to put it together, and it looks like all of the parts are here, nothing was missing, and everything was packaged really nice. It was all safe and sound and showed up without a blemish on it. I actually started off on the wrong side of the page, so this will help out a lot. That was my dog. She wants to go out. And I was expecting an easy 20-minute setup with this desk. Didn't seem that complicated. However, it took a little bit longer, and my one criticism that I have for Wellrun is that the directions weren't too clear on which way to position the frame. So I put it together and had to take it apart in certain parts to reposition the holes so that I could screw everything together. However, you guys may not know this, but Old Man is married to, well, a young woman who is a retired engineer from General Motors. So she actually came in on the project and helped me complete it. Well, I've got the Wellrun writing desk together. I'll shoot some links down below to check out the latest pricing, but I tell you what, it's got a nice rustic feel to it. And once we figured out how to put it together, and that's probably on me for not reading the directions properly, my retired automotive engineer wife helped me finish putting it together just right, and everything fit together the way it was supposed to. They even gave me a few extra parts, which is a nice touch. The tools were nice that it came with, so outside of my screw up, it was easy enough to put together. I tell you what, for the money, you can't go wrong. It was about, I don't know, 110, 120 bucks. And it was a good, solid investment. I can see getting a lot of use out of this. It's simplistic in its design. I don't have a lot of drawers I gotta worry about. And I could see this making a good addition to any home office or any college dorm room. So I have no choice but to give the Wellrun writing desk a big thumbs up. Hey! Hey, this is Brian with Old Man New Tech. We can't make this channel happen without you, so please hit subscribe and smash that bell down below. And if you're looking for product links, you'll find them there too. Thank you.